Hey guys, my name's Adam and I am the host of the YouTube channel Hair System DIY. I first came across Lavivid just over a year ago based off a recommendation from a friend. I did a bit of research on Google and I found they had some really good reviews. At that point I decided to order a system and ever since I've been absolutely blown away. What I really like about Lavivid is you're guaranteed quality and you're guaranteed consistency. And this is what I've had for over a year now. Every single system that I've received, it's exactly what it says on the tin. This particular system is a Coeus 0.08 millimeters ultra thin skin. It's super comfortable. The texture of the hair is really nice and the density is good as well. It's about 2 months old and I only need to give it a clean about once every 2 weeks, which is fantastic. And it fits around my life really well. Another thing I like about Lavivid is the quick shipping times. So if I need a system pretty quickly, it's always with me within 7 to 10 days, which is really impressive. And it's always fantastic to know that if I need a system pretty quickly, I can get it ordered on Lavivid and it's with me within that time frame, so I never need to panic. Lastly, the customer service is absolutely fantastic. Whenever I have a query, any sort of question, I'm always responded to thoroughly within 24 hours. So I always have answers to my questions and I always know where I stand. I couldn't recommend Lavivid highly enough. I've tried a lot of other suppliers in the past and Lavivid comes out on top by a long way.